You often see people get the notification and their flashes, their light flashes, their screen sometimes flashes. So you can also do in your phone. So it's very easy, and most of the time it's very helpful when you're in the dark and you're getting notification, you're having a hard time to find your phone. So you can just try that thing. So when you go into the settings, go a little down, accessibility right there, and this you need to go here into the advanced setting. So when you go to the advanced setting, you will see the flash notification. So this there are two kinds of flash notification. One is a camera flash notification, other one is a screen. So let's try first the screen. So you can just change here the color whatever you like. So just testing. So look at this, it's getting flash, it's keep flashing in the yellow. If you change it, you can just go to the red one, and when you do, oh, it's again red. Preview, see, this is a red. No, I don't want it. So this is the one for the screen flash notification. Let's try the camera. So the camera, you have to go on backside and look at this. See, it is flashing. So that's how you can turn on that feature. It is sometimes very helpful.